Welcome to Super Simple Sauté.
We make things that are super simple for busy families like us.
Today we are going to make homemade pasta and homemade tomato sauce. We usually buy a ready-made pasta and a ready-made spaghetti sauce, but today we are going to make it from scratch.
The things you need are
3 cups of flour, 6 eggs, a pizza cutter, some tomatoes, 1 small onion, sliced mushrooms, minced garlic, and half a pound of cooked ground beef. So let's start!
First we need to separate the egg yolk from the white.
Ooh, this is a bad egg yolk. We cannot use it, but it looks funny. When you have a bad egg, don't use it. Get another one. Then you crack your other eggs in the bowl with the egg yolks.
Now add your flour and eggs into the bowl.
Scoop all your eggs out so then you won't waste your eggs. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then mix it with a spatula.
Now let's put it in the mixer.
Okay.
Wow, this is well blended.
See?
Sticky. Make sure you flour your surface. Now put your dough in a bowl and let it sit for an hour. Then you cover it with plastic so it won't dry up.
After an hour, we're going to roll out the dough.
This is very fun rolling it out flat. It looks like a long pancake.
It's like fondant. Now we cut our dough into strips.
These look like worms. And cut your tomatoes. Make sure there's a grown-up watching you. You always have to be careful. Put your onions and tomato in the blender. And then, in a pot, mix your garlic and ground beef together. And add your mushrooms and tomatoes. Then add salt and pepper. Then let your sauce boil for 10 minutes. Add chopped basil. Then cook your pasta in boiling water for about 10 minutes. When it's al dente, drain the liquid from the pasta. Then you rinse with cold water. Then you can eat it with your tomato sauce. Our pasta is done, and it looks so delicious. You can also add Parmesan cheese. Thank you for watching Super Simple Sauté.
If you like this video,
Please like
And comment.
and subscribe.